everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Maths Chapter 14 Smart Charts Textbook Solutions and Explanation. The purpose of this video is to make kids understand. It is highly recommended that the students prepare the answer on their own because answers may vary from student to student based on their observations. How many has? All of us enjoy watching television, TV, or listening to the radio. How much time do we spend in this? Note the time you spend in front of a TV or radio every day. Do this for 1 week. The time spent in a week. So for 1 day, if it is 1 hour, for a week, you all know that 1 week equal to 7 days. So it will be 7 hours. So in a month, you spend about 30 into 1, 30 hours. Find out from your friends the time they spend in a week. How many hours they watch TV or listen to the radio in a week? Number of children. So here I have written the number of children. More than 6 hours 10, 6 hours 5, 5 hours 3, 4 hours it is 2, for 3 hours 7, 2 hours 10, 1 hour 5 children, 0 hours. That is the number of children who do not watch TV at all, TV or radio at all is 3. Next, let us fill this table. Watching TV or listening to the radio. Dash children spend more than 6 hours in a week. So more than 6 hours is 10. Dash children spend no time at all. So that is 0 hours. 3. Most children spend dash hours in a week. So 2 hours. 2 hours or 6 hours. Dash children spend more than 3 hours. So more than 3 hours you can consider 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours and more than 6 hours. So when you add all these you will be getting 20 here. The answer is 20. Next, which program? There are different types of programs on TV or radio such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. Juhi's father likes watching serial. Her mother likes sports. Juhi likes news programs. Ask people in your family to name one program they like and one program they dislike. Make a table. So you can note down the family members here. Program they like sports. So programs they dislike, maybe news. For father, you're going to write, and sister, brother, uncle. The kind of program most family members like. So whichever program is liked by most of your family members, you're going to write here. The kind of program most family members dislike. So that you're going to write it here. Next, find out from 20 friends the programs they like and dislike and write in a table. So here you have to write the number. So number you have to write, example 10, 7, 3, 2, 5, here 4, 3, 2, 5, 4. After which you have to fill this. Which kind of program is liked by most children? So most children like news. So here you have to write news. Which kind of program is disliked by the least number of children? So disliked by least number of children is cartoon. So here you have to write cartoon. How many children like sports program? So sports program here, like you have to take this 5. So here the answer is 5. Is there any kind of program not liked by anyone? Yes or no? If yes, which one? So there is no program not liked by everyone here. So here it is no. Who is my friend? Here a passage is given and question is asked from this passage. I have a friend with me always. In the nights and through the days when I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? So this is a simple passage given. Read the poem carefully and answer these questions. Which word comes most often in the poem? So here two words comes I or he. Which letter has been used most? E. Which letter comes the least? So you can search. So here it is B. Take a paragraph you like from your language textbook. Read carefully and find out. So you can take your own passage and then answer the following questions. So I have taken a sample passage. There are 4 houses on this land and in the middle there is a well. He wants to divide this land equally among his 4 children. Each should get one house and be able to use the well without entering the other's land. First question, which word comes most often here? Here land comes most often. How many times? Here it is 3 times. Which word comes least often? So here are, on. Next, the letter used most often here is E. The letter used least often here is F, Q, V. Next, food we eat. Children were talking about what things they eat in the morning, made of rice, wheat, maize, barley. So they were discussing about the things they eat in the morning. Find out from your classmates and fill the table. So here main food can be rice, wheat, maize, barley, ragi. So the number of person, so it might differ from student to student or classroom to classroom. So rice, wheat, maize, barley, ragi, and these are the number of persons who eat that particular food. Look at the table and tell. Most children eat food made from. So here the highest count is rice. So it is rice. You have to write. Rice, which is the food eaten by most children. Compared to children who eat rice, those who eat wheat are less. Compared to those who eat wheat, children eating ragi are less. Because wheat is 24, ragi is 1. Here also rice is 25, wheat is 24. That's why it is less. Preparing for the class drama. All children of a class are getting ready for a drama. Some children are acting, some are busy collecting the dresses, some are bringing tables and chairs to make the sets. So this is a chart. Here number of children is given. Here acting, collecting dress, playing music, making sets. The count is given. So here a note is given. One triangle represents 3 children. So here the count is 9. Here 3 plus 3 it is 6. Here it is 3 into 4 it is 12. Here it is 6. 9, 6, 12, 6. So we'll write it here. 9, 6, 12, 6. So that it will be easy for you to answer these questions. How many children are acting in the drama? So it is 9. Which are more? Children making the sets or those acting? So it is acting. Because 9 children are acting. Making sets is only 6. What is being done by most of the children? Playing music is done by most of the children. How many children are collecting dresses? So here it is 6. Next, whose head is bigger? Cut long paper strips from waste paper. So take a paper like this, cut it along the dotted lines like this. Give one strip to each of your friends. Now put the paper strip around your head. You're going to put this paper strip around your head and tear of the extra strip. So here you're going to cut. On a big sheet, paste these paper strips along a line. So along a line, you're going to paste the strips and write down the names here. Your chart should look like this. So use a scale and find out from your chart. So take a scale and mark it. When you mark it, you will be getting the length of the longest strip might be, it depends, the answer depends. It might be between 50 to 55 centimeter. So here from this picture, you can very well say that Madhu's head is biggest. The smallest strip is dash centimeter. It belongs to Rohit. So it is 32. Here it is given. Chapati chart. All children of a school take part in different clubs. The chapati chart shows the number of children in different clubs. So see, this yellow color is game club, and this is garden club, and here light green is drawing club. From the picture, we can see that half the children in the class take part in games club. 1/4. So you all know this is 1/2. This is 1/4, and this is also 1/4. 1/4 members take part in garden club. Drawing club has 1/4 of the children of class. If there are 200 students in a school, look at the above chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. So look carefully. You have to find the game club members. So total students is 200. So game club is half the members. So here it is. The answer is 100. Garden club is easy. That is 1/4. So it is half of the games club. So that is 50. There are dash members in the drawing club. So drawing club also 50. Next, getting wet in the rain. Who likes to get wet in the rain? Children made this chapati chart after asking his friends. Chapati chart, the name because the chart is like a round chapati shape. So that's why it is called as chapati chart. So here in this chapati chart, those who like to get wet in the rain is 3/4 part. Who do not like is 1/4 part. So remember this. See the chapati chart. So 3/4 likes, 1/4 did not like. How many children like to get wet in the rain? So it is 3/4. Those who do not like to get wet in the rain, it is 1/4. Easy. If the number of children in the class is 28, then tell the number of children. So if it is 28, who like to get wet in the rain? So 3/4 of it is 21. So here it is 21, here it is 7. So totally you will be getting 28. Who do not get is 7. Tea, coffee or milk. Someone were asked which of these they like most. Tea, coffee or milk. The drink they like. Number of children. Here numbers count are given. Total number of children is, you all notice, 40. Find out from the table. Children who like milk are half or 1/4 of the total children. So this is half, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. So milk is half, coffee is 1/4. So make a chapati chart with tea, coffee, milk. So you will be getting this. So because here it is 1/4, here it is 1/4, milk is 1/2. So you'll be getting the answers. You'll be getting the questions from in the exam, like either you have to make chapati chart, or you'll be a question like this, or you'll get the question like this 1 by 2 to find the part. Which part? How many parts of it has from the total? So all these questions you can expect. So next. So this chapter ends here. So this is the last chapter of class 4. We are completing maths with this. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.